Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Excuse my appearance, I just left the gym. Anyways, this is about my little DIY project that I have going on, so I just thought I would share with you guys my DIY vanity. There's already tons of videos on this already on YouTube, but I thought I would just go ahead and film it anyway, just in case you were curious about doing your own vanity in 2020. So that is what this video is about, and now I will show you guys what I have going so far. We have 2 drawers and a tabletop. These are the Michaels drawers. I will have the names and the price that I got them for on the screen and down in the description box. But I actually got these for $40. They used to be like $89.99, but now they're $109.99. So they got hip to everybody purchasing these for vanity, so they raised the price. But they do have coupons, and you can find these for a sale price. So I got these for $40 over the weekend, Michaels again, and they were actually pretty easy to put together. I did the one on the left for myself, and then my boyfriend helped me with the second one. So very, very doable. The first one, all I used was a screwdriver, and then we used a drill for the second one. So if all you have is a screwdriver, sis, you're good. You can do it. And so the tabletop is from, where is it from? The tabletop is from Home Depot. And the dimensions of the tabletop is 12 inches by 48 inches. So yeah, 12 by 48. That's perfect because that's what I wanted for this little space. My stool actually fits perfectly in there where the extension cord is, so that worked out perfectly. And then I just have this little mirror thing here to do my makeup on, so that way the tabletop does not get dirty. So speaking of mirror, let me go grab the mirror that I purchased. So this is the mirror that I got. It's a frameless rectangle mirror in the dimensions 24 by 20 inches. So you can get whatever, you know, whatever size you want, smaller or larger. But I didn't want to go any bigger than this for the area that I'm going to put it in. So yeah, this is the mirror. Okay, these are the lights that I got. I ordered them from Amazon from the brand company Waneway. The LED light kit lights. And this is what the bulbs look like. These are the bulbs with the wire in between, but we're gonna try to hide the wires. Looks like it comes with some extra stickers just in case some of the bulbs fall off, which is nice. So now I'm gonna test it and just make sure they work. So I'm just taking the plug provided, plug it up, and then attach these 2 pieces. Now I'm just going to tape these wires behind the mirror because we obviously don't want that to show. So I'm just gonna take these pieces and just tape them behind here. Alright, so this is how it looks. I'm just gonna end up hanging that, you know, on the wall, but I just want to be sure this is where I want it first. But yeah, this is my DIY vanity desk situation. I'm gonna total everything and then let you guys know on the screen, but it was definitely under 150. So this is my DIY vanity project. Again, I know there's a lot of videos already on this, but you know, I still want to do my own. So if you want to do your own vanity in 2020, honey, just go to Michael's and go to your local Lowe's or Home Depot and make it happen because it's cute. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next one.